We are, oh, nice. We are back, and we're gonna try to get more Pac-Man stuff.
Last time we got Blinky, is the red one.
Where did I get? What the heck is it? Oh!
But,
I got the one I wanted!
but Pinky.
Oh, I got the one I wanted!
Wait.
Oh, wait, what?
What?
Look at
They're
this!
usually blue.
I got the one that I wanted!
They're usually blue.
Oh my god! I don't care, go do yours now.
Okay.
It's awesome. Just try to go what I want.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get Blinky. Oh, that's Blinky right there. I got Pac-Man!
What?
I got Pac-Man!
So we have Blinky, the weirdo guy, and Pac-Man. Wow. Those two tunes were amazing. What, so basically I have to run away from you now because I'm this guy? No! Oh my god, look at his face. I don't know about this. That is awesome.
This is the best game!
Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Why did you hit the button again?
You hit the button!
No, I did.
Yes, you did! Hey, we just got our Pac-Man stuff!
Yeah.
Yes.
Let go.
Ah.